Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a banana and mayonnaise hair mask. The nutrients in banana, like natural oils, biotin, and potassium, deeply nourish the scalp, promoting healthy follicles and boosting hair growth. Combined with ingredients like coconut oil and olive oil is a fantastic DIY recipe. Mayonnaise provides a natural protective layer on each hair strand. Using a mayonnaise hair treatment in the summer can help protect your hair from sun damage caused by UV rays during the cold winter months. A mayonnaise hair mask can help your tresses avoid getting dry and bitter. Mayonnaise contains protein, vitamins, and fatty acids, which can give your hair a lustrous shine. Apply for 1 hour with shower cap, then shampoo your hair